Okay. Good day, guys. This is Kenzo XTRHOT-FOREX. So let's go straight to our another topic that we said we're going to approach. So yesterday we said we're going to give you something. Please check the previous videos that we send every day because they're going to help you. If you follow them, they're going to help you. So today we came up with another one because these things is what we see on the market. It's what we see on our groups. So the topic of today is why students have different strategies, why they follow different mentors, why they use different methods of trading. They don't have one thing. And guess what? Yesterday we were talking about why mentors win and why students lose. So these things are the other factors that affects the students, why they don't win. Why? Because they have different signal providers. They have different mentors, because if they join me now, they can join someone else when they see a special. Remember, they did not even remove themselves from my group. So now they have two signal providers, you see. So I'm not alone, I'm with Mr. Basil. So let him introduce himself. He's on the side. Mr. Basil.
Greetings, 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 our people. You know by now, we are back. We are back. And we are back with no excuses. We are back with straight talk. We are going to give it to you up until your ears start hearing us. Up until when you close your eyes, you hear us telling you, because we are tired. We are tired of seeing our brothers and sisters keep on losing money non-stop in the market. Like the market does not have time to give you money. The market is willing to give you money. The market is giving everything that you want only when you know what you're doing. The market is able to change your life if you know what you are doing, but it doesn't help. It doesn't help you. What? You know, Kenzo, what I don't understand. This is what I don't understand. Yeah. You join 10 telegrams. And all those 10 telegrams you are joining, it's either you are going to pay $10, $15, $25 per month. And all of them you've joined them. Now, strange enough, in your account, you have $100.
Exactly.
This thing is not balancing. This thing is not making sense. On top of that, you join more than 5 mentors, five or more. On top of that, you have bought more than 15 strategies. Exactly who are you? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? You can't be doing that. You can't be doing that because you are so confused. You've got this long list of telegrams. Everyone is sending you signals when to buy. On top of that, it's different pairs. If it's currencies, it's different indices. You are full of different stuff. Okay, let me say this. You know, this channel, it's run by 2 South Africans. So at times we are going to speak South African language. We are not going to translate it. Those who are in the country or overseas who knows the language and knows English, I don't know English, so they can translate it. So our international viewers, subscribers, don't be shocked every now and then when we start throwing in some, you know, South African proverbs and idioms. This is South Africa. You must learn our language. What's wrong with you? So you are just like what we say. We You've got too many things in one place. It cannot be like that. It can be. Look, if you want to be a good trader, You need to choose, number one, whom do you want to be your mentor? And you need to give yourself time to understand your mentor, to understand your mentor's strategy, to understand how your mentor operates. It must be over a period of time. And when it's not working, you have good evidence to saying why me and this mentor are not getting along. Maybe communication, maybe the way he teaches you, maybe the way he presents things. Find something. You can't be jumping. Hey, today you have this mentor, tomorrow you have this. Every day you've got a mentor for a day. Monday to Sunday, you've got a mentor. Exactly what are you learning? What are you getting? Monday to Sunday, when you've got a different signal that you receive from, exactly what are you trading? You know, a good, successful trader specializes on one asset. We might be trading other things, but we specialize on one asset. Even in indices. In indices, personally, I don't do Nasdaq. I don't do German 30 or German 40 as it's called. It's German, you know. They have a number of things. I don't do UK 100. I'm in love with US 30. I am in love with US 30. Do I know how to trade currencies? Yes, I do. Can I be able to analyze those currencies? Yes. Can I be able to analyze and understand Nasdaq 100? Yes, I can do. But do I really follow them? No. Do I trade them? Sometimes when I'm bored, when I feel like, but I specialize. I specialize. Now, when I specialize, my strategy also specializes. When I specialize, my discipline also specializes. When I specialize, my risk management also specialize. I can tell you without looking what is happening in the US 30 chart. From higher time frame to the lower time frame, whatever time frame, because I am specializing in it. Now, beginner, intermediate, or the claimer, the so-called I am a trader. What is your specialty? What are you comfortable with? Because you cannot be a signal receiver on everything. You receive from channel 1 to channel 120. When do you place trades out of all these signals that have been sent to you? And how do you know which is a genuine signal when you receive anything? Man.
It's not easy.
You know, you're giving this industry a bad name. You're giving this industry a bad name. Bad name.
Exactly.
So stop it. Bona. For you to be successful, choose one signal provider that you feel comfortable with and give that signal provider a period of time. Give that signal provider at least 2 or 3 months, monitor it on a logbook, to record it, to saying whenever he gives me signal, his signal tend to be accurate on a 50%. They are not accurate on another 50%. But if you've got, you see, another thing, because you don't want to go into class, if you know risk management, you will know that when we talk about risk-reward ratio, if ever you can lose 50% of your trade and you win 50% on your, you will always be on a winning side. Even if you can lose 60% and win 40%, if you've got proper risk management and your risk-reward ratio is correctly, you following your strategy according to, you will always be a winner. You will hardly lose because you will have knowledge, you will have skill. Bona, what we are talking to you about is that you need to go to a class. You need to learn. You need to learn. You need to learn. Umfundisi was never ordained by himself. Every pastor that ordained themselves, they end up in trouble. You can see them in the news. So stop ordaining yourself and call yourself a trader while you don't have skills, while you don't have knowledge, while you don't have anything. You can't be. And at the end of the day, to have a signal provider, it doesn't make you a trader. To have a signal provider, it does not make you a trader. To have a strategy does not make you a trader, especially when you don't understand what you are doing with that strategy.
Exactly.
Because you have paid a mentor, it doesn't mean now that you are a trader. It is your mentor that must tell you that out of all the skills that I have imparted to you, out of all the knowledge that I have given to you, out of all the information that I have shared with you, after I have tested you, after I have assessed you, your mentor, I feel now you are ready to take the market by the storm. But just because you have paid does not make you a trader. Just because you have paid, it does not mean now you already have the skill that your mentor has. Yeah? I was watching a Karate Kid when I grew up.
Exactly.
Wax on, wax off. Wax on, wax off. This is the starting point. You must go to the basic, get the basic, get the basic, get the basic. But stop this thing of you are paying more trader, more signal providers than the money you are making in the market. How is that possible? People, please, man, just stop, think. It's not gonna kill you. Thinking is not gonna kill you. Think and ask yourself a question. What am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? All African brothers and sisters, trading market can take us out of poverty. If you are unemployed, Bona, this market can set you up for any business. I know there are some entrepreneurs that have tried to ask for loan at the bank, they rejected you. This platform can help you. Tenderpreneurs, I was once a tenderpreneur, my brother. It's tough there. If you don't know somebody inside that knows somebody that knows somebody that knows somebody before he reached the president, ukasiyibona tender. Now we are saying Forex market, it doesn't matter who you are, where you come from, where you live. When you have the right skill, when you have the right knowledge, when you have the right mentor that can take you by your hand and show you the right ropes, a single trade will never make you a millionaire, but a single trade can set you up for a life-changing. A single trade can never make you a millionaire, but a single trade can set you up for a life-changing. You just need to have the right mentor. You just need to acquire the right information. You just need to acquire the right skill. You need to have a strategy that you feel comfortable with. And you need to choose. This market, it's big, people. This market, it's big. It's got different assets. Find one asset that you can enjoy trading. And that asset, when you find it, it must be in line with your strength, what you love as a person. You see, now when you come to us, Bona, when you join us on XTRHOT-FOREX, we will teach you how to find yourself. We will teach you trading psychology. We will teach you risk management. We will teach you a trading strategy. Combine together all of that. making you a system that you are comfortable with, a system that you can use for yourself and make your life better. Kenzo.
Thanks, Mr. Basil. Thanks, Mr. Basil. I think you covered almost everything that I wanted to say, but it's fine as long as information is out there. I hope you were listening. So guys, this thing is simple. When you are like, especially when you are new in the market, even if you are not new in the market, maybe your mentors, they don't tell you about this. They specialize on very few instruments. They don't have like basket of everything. You know, when you open your MetaTrader, you should only see things that you only trade, whether it's Euro, USD, whatever, but only things that you trade and things that you're going to specialize with, you see. But just because when we start to trade, people, they tell us, we trade major pairs, we trade this and that, you just add them there. Then they just confuse you. Guess what? You have 5 strategies. You saw someone with the special on Telegram or Instagram, then you bought that. Strategies, they don't make you a better trader.
Nope.
Can I repeat that? So many strategies or whatever, they don't make you a better trader. Something that can make you a better trader, it's you. How do you see yourself in the market? How do you handle yourself on the market? Trading psychology, it's like money. It's money. You know, when people, they get paid, 3 days later they're broke. It's the same on the Forex market. Just because their emotions or their psychology, they can't handle money. So even on trading, similar to that, you have these different strategies, you have these different mentors. I said it's a buy, Basil said it's a sell, then you don't know anything. What will you do then if you have different signal providers? So it means the best thing that you can do, instead of you being a student or someone who follows someone, make sure before you follow them for knowledge first. When you receive those signals, it's fine, at least you have knowledge. But when you follow those signals, don't have like more than one. One is enough, guys. One signal provider is enough. The only problem is you, because you might find that your mentor is winning, but you don't win. It means you want to blame who? You are the issue, but you don't see that. That's why you move from one mentor to another. That's because you don't have a stable place where you can stay. That's your problem. It's not your mentor's problem. So if you join your mentor just because they are flexing and you don't go there for knowledge, you go there for the like signals, then you have a problem. Then it's your problem. Then start to learn from now on. When they send you those signals, now you understand, okay, this one is not the right one, this one is the right one. Or learn until you do your own signals.
Yeah.
Mr. Basil.
My dear people, we care about you. We care about you. We are not saying these things because we are angry. No, we are not. Especially me, I'm just a very energetic person and I'm loud. So if you don't like loud people, you have to live with it if you want this information, because you're going to get it this way. Bona, it's simple. We want you to do the right thing. So that even tomorrow when you meet a mentor, someone that says, I'm a mentor, you've got the right questions to ask, because from us, you have taken that information. You will ask them the right thing. You will ask them, can you talk to me about trading psychology? If your mentor cannot unpack trading psychology to you, you are at the wrong place. You are at the wrong place. Once they say to you, you must be patient. You must be patient. And that's the full stop. Hey, Bon, you're at the wrong place. When you are at the wrong place. Ask your mentor to unpack trading psychology. I unpack it, break it down to smaller details so that you can understand when they speak of trading psychology, what are they talking about?
Exactly.
When they speak of risk management, he must not tell you Don't risk more than 1% and full stop. No, you must unpack risk management. You see, management has activities. How work management? There is activities there. It's not one thing. So please, we love you so much. We care about you so much. That is why we are challenging you. That is why we are doing this video. On top of that, anyway, we are in business. We've got an academy, master class. We want you to come and join us. No, we are not saying go somewhere else. We are saying come and test us. Come and test us and see if ever we cannot give you what we are saying. We put our money where our mouth is, Runa. We do that.
Exactly.
You will learn trading psychology, not just on a shallow level, in details. You are going to learn risk management, not just in details. You are going to learn the strategy in details. As we said previously, we have one strategy that we are using. It's not that we don't have others. It's not that we are not aware of others. We do, but we have opted to take one, because the one we are able to tell the wrongs and the right, the good, the bad, and the ugly of it. So we want you to have your own strategy. It might not be ours, it might be somebody else, or it might be someone that helps you to develop yours, which you are going to own it. So we are saying we care about you. We want you to do the right thing, and we hope that you will do the right thing. And if you want to join us, we are not far away from you. It's just a click away. If you like this, if you find this information revealing to you, Guba Isambulo, the prophet has spoken. They are calling me the Forex pastor these nowadays. But now I'm saying to you, Nasoge Isambulo, revelation ifigile kuwe. Tata! Momoya, remember, the me I see is the me I will be. The me I see is the me I will be. Before you do anything, ask yourself a question 3 times, answer it twice, and do it once. Kenzo, we are out. We are done.
Thank you, Mr. Basil. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button because there is still more stuff that are still coming. So thank you, guys. Don't forget to watch also the daily analysis, because that can also help you to see the bigger picture on the market. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot-FOREX. Bye.